Hi, this is Alyssa in the Chapter 11 Teach It assignment. As you can see from my piece of paper here, we're going to be doing section 11.3a, problem number 11. So I've written the problem out here conveniently so we don't have to go to and from the book. So number 11 says find the sum of the measures of the marked angle in the following figure. And I've drawn the figure out right here. So to get started with this, we're going to take note of what we have here. So we have two triangles overlapping, and it wants us to find the sum of the measures of the marked angles. So as we said, there were two triangles. One important thing to notice is that angle number 4 has that congruent symbol. And because no other angle has that congruent symbol, it's safe to say that angle 4 is probably congruent to these other angles. But first, let's figure out how many angles are in a triangle, or the measure of angles in a triangle. So in one given triangle, we have 180 degrees total. So let's look at triangle 135 first. So 135, let's redraw it out here, is going to have a total number of 180 degrees. Because we don't see a right angle, we don't see anything like that, it's safe to assume that this triangle is going to be equal angular, meaning that all these angles are going to be equal. So we've got three angles split up into 180 degrees. So to do this, we're going to take 180 degrees divided by 3, and that's going to give us 60 degrees. So it's safe to say that in triangle 1, 3, 5, each angle is going to be 60 degrees. Now let's do the same thing for triangle 2, 4, 6. Because, again, this congruent sign is here, it's safe to say that each angle is going to be congruent or equal in this triangle. So again, we take 180 degrees divided by 3, and we get 60 degrees per angle. So we can add up to figure out the sum of the marked angles in the following figure. 135, 2, 4, 6, we can take 60 times 4 or 60 times 6, because we have 6 angles and a total of 60 degrees for each angle. So if we do that, we're going to get 360 degrees. That's one of the ways that we can figure this out. The other way that we can do this is because we have two triangles and we know that one triangle has 180 degrees in it, we can take 180 times 2, and we can also get that 360 degrees. So in number 11, it's safe to say that the sum of the measures of the marked angles in the following figure is going to be equal to 360 degrees. And that's your answer.